Hi there, welcome once again, and this is the time for learning Distort Transform in Adobe Photoshop. And in this lesson, we are going to distort an image and we are going to place that distort image in this rectangular monitor. So what is Distort Transform in Adobe Photoshop? Basically, distort transform useful when you need to straighten a rectangular object or when you want to make a composite of different photos. This tool only works with the content in a rectangular plane. So you can take a look. This is an image of monitor and it's placed in a rectangular position, and we are going to place another image in here, and we are going to place the different image inside the monitor, and that's why we have to use the distort transform. So let me show you the final output. Okay, you can take a look. We placed another image inside the monitor and we placed this image using the distort transform. So let's take a look how you will place another image with the distort transform in Adobe Photoshop. So at first we have to open our exercise file, and here is the file menu, open option, and inside the warp and distort folder you will get this Nicholas Unsplash image. So you just have to select it and then you have to click open. Okay, here is our image, and you can take a look. We have a monitor in our image, but the monitor placed in a rectangular position, and we are going to place another image, an image of a Lamborghini. We want to place inside this monitor, and to do that we have to use the place embedded option, and therefore we just have to go for file menu, and here is the place embedded option, because we are going to place the embedded option from our exercise file, and that's why I'm going to use this place embedded option. Or you can just use the open option as well, but in that case you have to copy the image from different tab and then you have to paste over here. So that's why I'm going to use this place embedded option, because if you use this place embedded option then you can directly place your image inside here. Okay, so let's use this one, and I'm going to pick this Lamborghini image from our warp and distort folder, and then you just have to click place. Okay, here is our image, and let's place this image inside the monitor, and to do that we have to scale it. So let's scale the image. Okay, you can take a look. The image is really not adjustable right now for the monitor, because the monitor placed in a rectangular position but the image placed straighten on here, and that's why we have to use the distort transform option. And using the distort transform option we can place this image in this rectangular positioned monitor. So let's use the distort transform effect, and right now we have to hit the enter button, or you can just click on this tick mark for commit the action. Okay, right now we will use the distort transform for this image, but one thing I want to tell you before using the distort transform: if you have any text or if you have any image, then you have to convert your image into smart object before using the distort transform, because you will not be able to use the distort transform without converting your layer into smart object. And to do that you just have to right click with your mouse on the layer, and then you will get this convert to smart object option. Okay, so you can take a look. Our layer is converted into smart object. This is the icon of smart object, and right now we are going to use the distort transform, and therefore you just have to use the edit menu. From there you will get this transform option, and inside the transform option you will get this distort option. So let me click on distort option. Okay, here is the key pointer, and right now we are using the distort transform. So let's place the image in our monitor, and using the distort transform we can place this image in a rectangular position as well. So let's place this Lamborghini image in a rectangular position inside the monitor. Okay, you can take a look using the distort transform effect. It's really placing the image properly inside the monitor. Okay, looks good. So you can hit the enter button from your keyboard, or you can just click on this tick mark for commit the action, and you can take a look. We placed the image properly in a rectangular monitor, and it's really placed perfectly inside the monitor. And right now we have the rectangular monitor and we placed our image in a rectangular position. So this is how you will use the distort transform effect for placing an image or text in a rectangular position in Adobe Photoshop. So see you in next lesson.